In our industry today, demand is very robust. If you look at the United States, or if you just really look at North America, there's a lot of spending right now in infrastructure. A lot of our water treatment equipment, our pipes, our pumps, our valves, those have a 100-year use life. Many of those are beginning to fail now, and you're seeing increased spending and increased commitment of government dollars towards infrastructure. We are positioned perfectly to support that spend.
Yep, go.
The reliability of the equipment that we make is so vitally important. And sometimes when we go to sleep at night, we don't realize these men and women that are behind the scenes, fixing electrical lines, the ones that are putting up telephone poles that just came down from trees. It's our work-ready trucks that are not only helping to do that, but because of the unique patented technology that we have in our products, they're using equipment that's extremely safe, extremely reliable, and much of it is very unique to any other solution that they might use.
The R&D team, we're in the middle of this business. And so when we are working through our processes, as we understand what needs to be created, then we bring that back into the organizations. Then there's an awareness inside your business about what is the target for the product. When you look at organizations that have best practice, they really are companies that connect to the front of their businesses, and then they bring those requirements home, and they follow a phase-gated government process of creating the product or service that they want to offer the market. And when you do that, you have higher success rates. It's really about best practice that's been proven in many companies, and we're just applying it here at Ramsey.
We have one facility that's up in Olathe, Kansas. That's where our Eskridge brand is made. And we've got two here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We practice the 80-20, so we have a lot of standard products that will run through each of the different brands, which obviously helps us with lead times, helps us with the supply chain. But we also have the internal flexibility where we can insource. Over the next 3 years, we have a lot of changes in store. That goes back to the automation of painting, more robotic welding. We always find a way to make things better. We're flexible. We can change what the demands from our customers are needing. And we have a really good group of people here. I'm all eager to win.
We think that we're sort of at an inflection point. There's a lot of competition in our industry, and where our growth is going to start to accelerate because we think the demand for our products continues to increase. We think our markets are going to continue to increase. In fact, we just did a very robust marketing study that told us that that was going to occur, and we're getting out ahead of it. We want to keep measuring that Net Promoter Score and make sure we're tuned in to what we believe we're delivering to our customers. We want to be an innovator, and we want to grow this business based on metrics that not all of our competitors are doing. But as we look to the future, we want to create value from solutions that nobody has ever tried before. We get to tap into 70 years of experience, and we have people here who are extremely knowledgeable in this business. We're in a very nice position right now, really to, again, look at that innovation and to drive use case solutions for our customers that people haven't even thought of. That's what we want to do at Ramsey.